Hello guys, I tried to register the video and the stream today, 13 December, and we will start with the monthly charts, and we see now price fall down under 89 exponential moving average. We still have 18 days to see where we'll close this candle, above or below this previous. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Try to not fall down of this 89 exponential moving. Regarding the RSI, we have a pivot in January 19 of RSI, and after that price bounces. We have a pivot in 2014. After that we have a bounce, little bit bounce, and we have in April 2014, and we have a bounce also. Now we have it in June, a pivot in RSI, and after that the price bounce a little bit. We have a bull divergence, and price, we have a green candle. After that price a little bit bounce, but right now the X support become here a resistance in RSI, and we see how it's keeping the price down. If we'll hold this and this pattern will break up, we will see. Stochastic is resetting complete, it's under 10, so it is not in the bull control above 50. If the price will hold this area, then possible construction here for up. But all these FAT, all these exchanges, all these market stock, this influenced the Bitcoin also. If you go on the weekly chart, we see 13 exponential moving average have reaction like a resistance, and we see here on stochastic we have a resistance, we have 13 also exponential moving average reacting like a resistance. We saw here in 7 November again this resistance from stochastic is from 13 exponential moving average. We see a bull divergence also from RSI and play 1, 2, 3, and now it's fourth candle. We have 5 days till we close this. We see this exponential bull moving average 377 reacting like support couple of weeks. Now with this candle break it, and after that we will see if can gain back. This 18,500, 18,454 is the key. If can break this exponential 13, which is reacting like a resistance, and this 377, which was a previous support, then maybe we can see a push till 20,000. But this support of 15,500 must hold. If we go on the 3 days, we see lower high, lower high, lower high also, and we see lower low, lower low, lower low, and this exponential lost the support, and after that try to gain it, and stochastic try to go up, RSI start to build something. All the keys that what we talk is 17,400, 17,500 is pushing up. We see on the daily this 89 exponential moving average reacting like a resistance. Also in 15th of August we have in September reacting here. We have here in October, price push it above or couldn't stay and reject it, and now on the daily we see from a couple of days price we have a higher low, price came above 20, 21 exponential moving average and 13 and tried to hold it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days above and closing above 20, 21 and 13 exponential moving average. So if this exponential moving average will hold, we will see the next one when we talk early 17,500, 17,700, this forcing these areas. And maybe we will see again this 89 forcing to break this 18,500, but this area must hold. We are still waiting to break this resistance and this 4 to hold. If we go on 4 hours, we see the rejection of 200 exponential moving average. So a couple of temptation to break it was still rejected. So if we break here, maybe we'll see the push till 17,500 and after that 17,900 what we talked about. If we go at 1 hour, we see continuation of rejecting from this area of 17,350. Price came again down here again, but all the time was a buy from here, and we will see if this area will hold, see if we can get a push up. If we go on the Bitcoin futures on the daily, we see the reaction of the price came from this now was rejected by the X support, and now the price came from 2020 demand area, and we see holding, and maybe we will push up this till to force again this area. If not, price will come down, and if it is holding, we can try to buy back and for a up. If not, if we lose this support, we go to the next one, which is in 12,000 area. If you go on the stock on SPY, we see that after a hunting of the stop loss and the price bouncing from this area and build a nice trend till the diagonal of the resistance. And on this diagonal of resistance we have 200 and the exponential and moving average on the daily. The price was rejected, and this diagonal reject also the price and acting like a resistance. Price came down till this demand area and the support of 200 and exponential moving average and moving average at 4 hour and hold it, and after that we get a bounce on the lower time. See that 4 hours. This is 200 moving average, and we get the bounce on this. If this will hold, then we will not lose this demand area. It's a possibility to stay here to build and to force again this diagonal and this supply zone, and maybe came in this for 420, 428, but this must hold and build something. But we know today we have CPI and tomorrow we have FOM meeting, so this will influence also the stocks. If we go on Bitcoin on the longs versus short, we saw yesterday that on the Bitfinex the longs came to the demand area and bounced it, and if we lose this area then the price will fall down till the next zone of 10,105,034 is meant from here. If we go on the short, we see that short lost this demand. There is a possibility to continue to hit this area. Or to take all the stop losses from here and to bounces, but till now we keep continue going down. If we go on the dominance, we see the dominance between its 200 exponential average at the daily. This on this zone and start to be rejected. If we get a rejection from here, maybe Bitcoin dominance will fall down and we will have some alts moving in the following 1 week, but we need a rejection from here. So only depending on the meeting of today and tomorrow, the market will react according to this. Thank you very much guys, and I wish you have a great